Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to win more knife-only matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, equip a combat knife. Make sure you have a loadout that includes the combat knife as your secondary weapon. You can get it from a buy station or find it during the match. Switch to your knife. In-game, switch to your secondary knife to equip the knife. Reveal enemy positions. When only a few enemies remain, let them reveal their positions first. This way, you can avoid unnecessary 1 versus 1 fights and increase your chances of winning. Move silently. Use cover, crouch, and move quietly to surprise opponents. Map awareness and movement. Know the map. Familiarize yourself with the map to find advantageous positions and escape routes. Circle awareness. Pay attention to the shrinking circle and position yourself strategically. Close combat tactics. Surprise attacks. Approach enemies from unexpected angles to catch them off guard. Strafe and dodge. Use lateral movement to avoid enemy shots while closing the gap for a knife attack. Practice and patience. Practice your knife skills. Spend time in practice mode or regular matches to improve your knife accuracy and movement. Be patient. Don't rush into the fights. Wait for the right moment to strike. Lure enemies. Use your primary weapon to shoot at enemies from a distance. When they chase you, switch to knife and surprise them. Hide around corners or inside buildings. Wait for the opponent to walk by. As they approach, strike swiftly with your knife. Coordinate with your teammates. If you're playing with a squad, communicate and coordinate your movements. Flank enemies together for better chances of success. Cover fire. Have a teammate provide cover fire while you close in for the knife kills. Perk selection. Choose perks that enhance your mobility and stealth. Perks like Ghost and Tracker can be helpful. And that's how to win more knife-only matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.